Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be solving this problem here. So I hope you enjoyed the solution and let me know in the comment what you will do to solve this problem. So you see that this term here is equal to this one here. So to simplify the solution, I'm going to make a substitution. So I'm going to say that this one is theta. So theta is equal to this, which is this one here and this one here. And then I'm going to replace this value in the original equation. So we're going to have sine theta plus cosine theta equals 1. Okay, so I'm going to square then both sides of the equation. And then, well, developing here. I mean, expanding this power, right? We're going to have this one here, right? Sine squared, cosine squared to sine theta, cosine theta equals 1. But then we know that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. And then we're going to replace this one here. And then we're going to have this one here. So we're going to simplify this one and this one. We're going to get 0. So we're going to have this one here. And then we have 2 sine theta cosine theta, which is actually 2 sine of 2 theta equals 0. And then this is 0. So we got then 2 theta equals n pi, right? So dividing both sides by 2, we're going to have theta equals n pi, okay? But remember that we say that theta was this one, right? So we're going to make we're going to do some work here to simplify this expression, right, in order to get log of x here. So then here, we're going to have this one here, which is what we had before. So what I'm going to do here, applying the properties, the rules of logarithm. So I'm going to bring this one, multiplying this log here. So we're going to have this one here, right? So this one came here, and then this is the power of 1. If we see that this one here is equal to this one here, so I'm going to send this down to the power of -1, and then we're going to have this one to the to the power of pi minus 2, right? So, and then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to work on this one here. So we can bring this one here to here as 1 over pi, right? So this is what we're going to do here. So we're going to have then that this one here is equal. The pi that were here now, the pi that was here, it comes here as 1 over pi. So then we got this one here. So, but this is pi to the -1. So I'm going to say that this is pi to the -1. And then, well, we keep the base and we subtract the powers here. So we're going to say that then this is pi minus 1, right? So this is a simplification we did. And now we're going to replace the value of what we found as theta was, right? So we said that theta is n pi over 2, right? So then we got this value, which we were simplifying before, as theta, right? And then I'm going to send this one multiplying here and this one dividing here. So we're going to have this one here. So we got this one here, came here multiplying, and this one here came here dividing, right? And then we got this one here. And then, sorry, my apologies. We see that from here, I'm going to send this pi here down here with the negative power, right? So we're going to have here pi to the pi minus 2 here, right? And now you see that they have the same powers here, and then I'm gonna divide these bases and keep the power. So it will be n over 2 and n plus 1 over pi, all to the power of pi minus 2. So that's what we got here. And applying a basic property of logarithm, so we know that x is going to be pi to this power here, right? So our x is pi to n over 2 times pi plus 1 over n, all to the power of pi minus 2. And this is our value of x, where n is any integer. So if we want to check quickly our solution, let's replace 0 here, for instance. So we're going to have that this whole power will become 0, and then we're going to have x equals to 1. So if x is equal to 1, when we replace 1 here, logarithm of pi to the pi of 1 here is going to be 0, So this whole expression will become 0. So we're going to have sine of 0 is 0. And then cosine of 0 is 1. So we're going to have 1 equals to 1. So my friends, this was the problem of today, and I really need your help, guys. And please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment what you think of this solution. And see you next video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next video. Bye bye.